Welcome to our Ultimate Grooming Kit Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 and the Multigroom Series 9000. Both of these all-in-one grooming kits are designed to cater to your beard, hair, and body grooming needs, but they come with different features and price points. Let's explore what each has to offer and help you make the best choice for your grooming routine. When it comes to price, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 is the more affordable option at just $64. In contrast, the Multigroom Series 9000 is priced at $89, making it a more premium choice. If you're on a budget, the 7000 offers great value for everyday grooming without compromising on quality. In terms of versatility, the Multigroom Series 9000 comes with 21 attachments, providing a wider range of grooming options compared to the 7000's 19 pieces. This extra versatility can be particularly beneficial for those who want to explore different styles and grooming techniques. Another key difference is in the storage options. The Multigroom 7000 comes with a soft pouch, which is functional but basic. On the other hand, the 9000 includes a premium storage case, adding a touch of luxury and better organization for your grooming tools. This can make a significant difference for users who value convenience and aesthetics. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 and the Multigroom Series 9000 are excellent grooming kits, each with its own strengths. The 7000 is a fantastic value for those who want a reliable all-in-one trimmer without breaking the bank, while the 9000 offers more features and attachments for a premium grooming experience. Whichever you choose, both will help you look your best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.